Hi, and welcome to the Ritz-Carlton DIFC in Dubai. I'm staying in a very big corner suite. I'm about to give you a quick tour. So, this hotel opened in 2012. It's in Dubai International Financial Center, which is the commercial corporate financial hub of this ever-growing city. And it's very popular with business travelers. So it tends to be busiest from Monday to Friday. And it's actually apparently at 100% occupancy while I'm here. It is completely full. Here is the IFC beneath us. You can get an elevator down to the podium level and it leads you directly to the mall. That's right over there. You're also beside the poshest restaurants and bars in the city, or many of them. I forgot to show you, there's a little WC right by the doorway there. Here is the bedroom. There's a JO on the pillow. Those happen to be my initials. That's a nice personalized touch. Here is some interesting decor. I had a very comfy sleep here. Just letting you know, staying here tonight as well. Okay, there's the view again, much the same. Burj Khalifa is just over there. You can't quite see it from the building, but it's probably 5 minutes away by taxi. You're fairly close to a metro line as well, which will get you to Dubai Mall in about 6 minutes. Moving on, the bathroom is huge. It's also a bit echoey. I'm on the horizon over there. Big bathtub. There are blinds that you can pull down there. And toiletries are by Diptyque. Moving in through here. In fact, actually, I don't need to go in there. That's just a toilet. Here is your walk-in shower. Diptyque toiletries again. And storage in there. So that's it. One of the suites at the Ritz-Carlton DIFC in Dubai.